Hello, my dear lovers. This is the English explanation and summary for the episode 7 of the series Unintentional Love Story. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Won Young kissed Taijun and confessed his love to him, but got shocked as Taijun kissed him back. When he asked about Eri, Taijun said that the person he likes is Won Young, and to some extent he knew that Won Young liked him, but he wasn't sure, and now they wanted to date each other. When Hote came looking for Won Young, they both hid and ditched him. Donghi was angry as Won Young ditched him, but for Hote it was a good opportunity to hit on him. On the other side, Taijun and Won Young have started a new relationship and wanted to enjoy every bit of this time. At the pottery class, Young got jealous as Taijun was helping a female student, so he intentionally made a mistake to bring his attention to him, but ended up getting scolded by Taijun. But as everyone left to eat, Won Young noticed Taijun smiling and started throwing tantrums at Taijun. It was so cute of him that Taijun was unable to control his love for him. Won Young told Taijun that he is going to Seoul for a day to meet his friends and to finish up some work. Taijun is all in love with him and asks him to be always honest to him. While meeting with his friends, Won Young tells one of them that he is dating someone but has unintentionally told him a lie and now is scared to say the truth. But his friend told him to dare and say the truth as Won Young has always been an honest person and it will make his relationship stronger. Taijun came to pick Won Young and took him back as he was jealous. Won Young wanted to tell the truth, so they went to talk at dinner, but were interrupted by unwanted conversation with Taijun's ex. Taijun told about his real self to Won Young, that the person they met was his ex-boyfriend and that his father is a renowned painter. His ex, who was with him for 5 years, used him because of his father's connection. So he came to live in Gangnam to stay low and away from people who wanted to take advantage of him. Taijun apologized for not telling all this before, but Won Young was in his own guilt and asked him not to apologize for it. Won Young was all drunk, but repeatedly apologized to Taijun, making Taijun wonder that what is the reason for it. Next day, Won Young went to manager Jung and said that he is resigning and wouldn't lie to Taijun anymore. Also, that he will tell the complete truth to Taijun, but it won't affect the company. But Jung was angry about it. Taijun was worried about Won Young as he was unable to reach him, and the only thing he knew about him is his phone number, which was unreachable. Won Young returned all the money which manager Jung gave him for this process. Taijun's friend thanked Won Young to bring Taijun to work with Clay again, and Taijun is completely in love with Won Young. But Won Young forgot his phone at Taijun's and the truth was revealed. So guys, if you liked the video, please watch for the next episode, that is episode 8. Thank you.